So the second question is, what is the overall percentage of marks obtained by F in all subjects together? So here percentage of marks is given in the table. So what is the question? Overall percentage of student F is asked. So as percentages are given, so just adding and dividing will not get overall percentage, because each percentage is for different ways. So for the previous question, so we were asked to find average mark. So instead of finding the individual marks and then finding the average, so directly we found the average percentage, because each percentage was for 50. So adding all, we found the average percent. So in this question, for student F, overall percentage is asked. So for this, so the percentages which are given, so we'll see the working slide. So student F's percentages are highlighted in green color, and in the first row maximum marks are given, so that is highlighted in the orange color. And how to find overall percentage? So we have to find the marks got by F in each subject. So in each subject, that is Maths, English, Science, Hindi, SST and Marathi, so we have to find the marks got by F, and then adding all the marks we get the total marks. And how to find overall percentage? The marks got by F in all the subjects divided by the maximum marks. The maximum marks we have in the first row. So dividing by that, we get the overall percentage. So we will see how to find marks got by F in each subject. So in Maths, what is the percentage got? 68% out of 150. And how to find the value? So it is 68% of 150. So either, so 50% more. So we can find half of 68 and add. So what is half of 68? It is 34. Adding 68 and 34, we get 102. The marks got by F in Maths is 102, or we can cancel this. So 3 by 2. So this divided into 3. So we get marks got is in Maths by student F is 102. And now what is the mark got by F in English? So it is 72% of 75. So means it is 25 3 times and 4. So 4, 18 into 3. So 18 3 is 54. So marks got in English is 54. And in Science, out of 125, 74%. So 74% of 125. So this is 5 by 4. And dividing this 74 with the 4, so it is 1 and 8.5. So it is 18.5 into 5. So marks got by F in Sciences, so multiplying. So 92.5. So in Hindi, out of 50, 74%. So 74% out of 50 means, so for 50 it is, for 100 it is 74, for 50 it is half, 37. 74% of 50. So which is half, 37. And now in SST, out of 100 it is 83. So percentage is 83%. So for 100 means it is 83. So marks also is 83. So 83% of 100, which is equal to 83 again. And out of 25, 80%. So for 100 it is 80, and for 25 it will be 1/4. So 20 marks. So this is in Maths, this is in English, Science, Hindi, Social. And in Marathi, So this is max. So 80% of 25, which is 1/4, it is 20. Now adding all the marks got by F in all the subjects, divide by the maximum marks into 100, we get the percentage. And now what will be the total marks? So 10 and then 8, 18, so 10, 8, 16, 28 and 2. So total marks got by him is 388.5 and we have to find the percentage out of this total. So adding all the maximum marks, so we get 150 plus 75 plus 125 plus 50 plus 125 it is. So 525. And we have to find this percentage of marks. And how to find the percentage? So we can start with 10%. So 10% of 525 is 52.5 and we have in 30s. So 5 into 7 will give you 35. So 5 into 7 will give you number nearing to 35. So we'll multiply on either side with 7. So 70% is 52.5 into 7. So what is the value? So it is 5. So 367.5. So we have more than 70%. Now we can choose with the options. So which option it will choose? So we have all the options more than 70. So we have to work out a little. So percentages, required percentages, more than 70%. And we have seen that 10% is 52.5. So we can add 5% to get the value. So to check which option we can choose. So 10% is 52.5. So what will be 5%? Half of this. This 26.25. So when you add half of 10%, 5%. So 70 plus 5. So 75% we get 393.75. And answer is less than 393.75. So which option we can choose? So 75% will not be the answer because we have lesser value. So the only option will be 74%. So by scanning the values, so 10% is 52.5. So into 7 we have 367.5 as 70%, but it is more than 70%. As all the options are nearing to 70s, so we'll check half of 10. So adding we get 75% as 393. So value is less than this. So option can't be 78 or 75. So it should be 74% as the answer. So it is option A, 74%. The overall percent got by F in all the subjects is 74%. So friends, so before going into the next tool, so I want to tell you one important concept, important thing. So here in the question, so you are asked to find overall percentage of marks obtained by F. So seeing this, so many will find average for the percentages given. So if you find average for all these percentages, so you will get a wrong answer. So because bases are different. So please remember, So don't find average for the given percentages, though overall percentage is asked. So because for each subject, maximum marks is different. So each percentage which is given in the table is for different base. So to work out for this question, as the base is different, find the marks got by F in all the subjects and divide by the maximum marks in each subject one could get and find the percentage. So please remember, don't find average of the percentages given. Find the marks got by him, divide by the total marks into 100 and find the percentage. So we'll see the next tool.